Today we'll be making a classic vanilla cake. First, you want to separate the whites and yolks of 4 eggs. In my experience, using the eggshell as a juggling tool works the best for separating your egg yolks. After you've done that, use a hand mixer to mix the egg whites. Mix until you have reached stiff peaks and then pour in a teaspoon of vinegar and 1/4 cup of sugar. In your bowl containing the yolk, you want to put 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. For your leavening agents, you want to put a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. Soon after, you want to mix that all together and make sure to break that yolk. After you've done some mixing, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And for your final wet ingredient, put 3 tablespoons of milk. As always, mix well. For your final ingredient, put 2/3 cup of flour. Combine the 2 bowls and mix them together very well. Finally, put all that batter in a pan and in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Here you can watch me decorate the cake with some lemon frosting. And sifting some cocoa powder on the cake. Here it is. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.